Hi! Welcome to Cocina de Marites. You are watching on Cocina de Marites channel. If you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, give this a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Click the bell button to be notified for the new video. And let's cook grilled tuna belly. And marinate it with calamansi, luya, and toyo. Marinate for about 2 hours before grilling. And while preparing for the charcoal and griller, let's make the sauce. Melt a 226 grams of butter or 1 full of butter, and make sure in a low fire to avoid burning the butter. And add the 1/4 cup of oyster sauce, and of course add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Stir it well, and then add the 12 pieces of calamansi. Squeeze it, the lemon, and the juice, calamansi juice. And that's it. This is a simple sauce. And stir it well until the sauce is mixed in together. And then set this aside and basting for the tuna belly. You'll need this for your basting before grilling. And every time you grill, each side at about 4 minutes, and make sure to skin side first when grilling. Always take a look to avoid burning. And that's it, just a simple dish for today. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up and click the bell button for you to be notified every time I upload a new video recipe. This is the best grilled tuna dish for your weekend getaway. We can get together for your family and friends, and of course a healthy dish for fish, and also good for Christmas handaan and Christmas feast, and also New Year's Eve feast or birthday or anniversary. Thank you, husband, for being my guest chef for today and grilling this tuna belly. Thank you for watching, and hope you like this video recipe. Share this video to your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy grilling, happy eating, stay healthy, and God bless. Thank you for watching.